Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this very pretty blue look for you guys. If you guys want to learn how to get this look, then keep on watching. Apparently I wasn't recording, so let's do this again. I am using the Viseart Dark Mattes palette. This one is in the number 4. And I'm just picking up some of this medium brown eyeshadow onto a MAC 224 brush. And I just applied that onto the crease area, just like so. And now we're moving on to the next shade. Now I'm taking a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to pick up this second darkest brown right here. And I'm just going to focus this a little bit lower than the first shade. Laying down the color first and then blending it out. And I'm going back into the MAC 224 brush and just kind of helping that blend a little bit more. And then just keep going back and forth until you like the color payoff. Like that. Except I'm taking a small little like pencil blending brush, and this is from Morphe. It's the M506 brush. Looks like that. And here's a comparison. So here's the Morphe M433, and then here's the little M506 brush. So you can see like the size difference. I'm going to take this shade right here. And now I'm going to go a little bit lower than the brown shade. First, light-handedly I'm placing this right below that brown shade. And then starting to blend it out. Don't worry if it doesn't look too perfect right now, because most of it's going to get covered anyways. We just want it to have that bluish transition. So now I'm going to go back into the Morphe M433 brush with no additional product. Blend this out. And when you do blend this out, I feel like this color turns into more of like a greenish gray color. But that's fine, because all that we really care about is that it'll help the metallic blue like better blend into the browns. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, just like that. And now I'm going to be taking some of the Maybelline gel liner, and I'm going to be applying this with a MAC 248 brush. The black gel liner is going to help the blue pop a lot more. I'm going to go ahead and start at the base of my lid and slowly working my way up. You don't want to go straight into the crease, or else it's not going to look blended at all. I don't know if you can see, but now I have less product, and as I have less product on the brush, I slowly move upward, but not all the way to the crease. Okay, so now that we have something like this, we want to go ahead and blend that out. I'm going to go ahead and use this Anastasia brush. It's just one of those little brushes that come with her makeup palettes. And I'm going to go ahead, there's nothing on this, I'm just going to go ahead and just blend out the edges and making sure that I stay in the crease. I don't want to like blend this all the way up to the brow because then it's just going to look like a hot mess. What I like to do is go back into this small little Morphe M506 brush, kind of blend that because that has a little bit of that blue shade in there. Go ahead and use that to blend it like that. Just going to go back into the Morphe M433 brush that had that brown color and no additional product. I'm just going to kind of blend that as well, a little bit higher. And pick up more gel liner, not too much, just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it over again, but this time I'm not going to go as far as I did before. And just kind of blend it with this same brush. We're not going to go into the Anastasia brush anymore. We're just going to do it with the same brush. So just like that. I'm going to be using the Rihanna Galaxy palette. I'm going to be taking a MAC 242 brush and I'm going to go into this dark royal metallic blue. I was about to say matte blue. Shades like these, I personally like to spritz some of the MAC's Fix Plus on there. If you don't have Fix Plus, you can just use water. Go ahead and place that above the black. And just patting that on there, not going all the way up to the crease. I'm going to go back into that small little 506 Morphe brush with no additional product, and I'm just going to kind of blend this out. And then I'm going to go again with the MAC 242 and pick up more of that metallic blue color and just pack some more on there. If you need to spray your brush, then do so again. But this time we're not going all the way up to where we blended. We're just leaving like a little tiny bit. Just like that. Now to apply the color in the center of the lid, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Glitter Glue. And I'm going to take that same MAC 242 brush, slide the glitter glue onto the MAC 242 brush. And now I'm just going to go straight for the center of the lid. And then I'm going to kind of wipe the brush. Now I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is like an icy blue with some purple blue glitters. Just pack that on the brush, and then I'm going to place that carefully onto the center of the lid. And I also like to just take my finger and apply some more because I feel like it makes it a little bit more glittery. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead, wipe this brush. I'm going to go back into that first metallic darker blue. And all I'm going to do is kind of blend this out a little bit. Go ahead and go back into the first brush that we ever took, the MAC 224, and I'm just going to kind of blend it out a little bit better. For the inner corner, I decided to take some of this color right here. I just used a MAC 214 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the inner corners. I also applied a little bit of Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Summer Snow Cone, which looks like this, because this is a little bit more golden. And then I went ahead and applied that for the highlight as well. This eye is more hooded than this eye, and the glitter like transfers on there, so if that happens to you, I would suggest like bringing it up a little bit more. I don't really mind that little bit of glitter, but if you do, just bring it up a little bit more. But mine always transfers. This eye always transfers for me. Now what I'm going to do is work on the lower lash line, and so I'm just going to kind of repeat the same matte shades that I used on top. I'm going to repeat them on the bottom. So I'm going to take that first brown shade and on the MAC 224 brush, and I'm just going to go down there. And taking the Morphe M433 brush and going into the darker brown. Tiny little Morphe brush and the tiny M506. I'm going to go into the blue shade. I'm going to take this little tiny pencil brush. I don't even know what brand this is. It's just like a random brush. I think my mom gave this to me like years ago. Anyways, I'm going to take that blue and just kind of place it on there, and then we'll go ahead and blend it out with our Morphe M433 brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and just wipe that little same brush, and I'm going to go into the metallic blue color. My camera stopped recording, but for the lower lash line, I actually mixed like 3 different eyeliners, and I didn't like them, but I would recommend just getting like a little liner like this. This is from Jordana, and it's in the color Tantalizing Teal. So it's just teal color. I put that on the waterline, and then I went ahead and went in with that metallic blue and just went over that. I just went in with like a little elf smudge, no, an elf small angled brush, and I just kind of put that into the waterline. So that's that. You go ahead and apply some falsies, and I will be right back. So here is the final look. I went ahead and added some falsies. These are the Fifi Lashes by NG Beauty, and these are in the style Independent. I really like how this look turned out. I think it's very, very pretty. So that completes this look, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and as always, I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.